continuing with the next one, that is debugging. Okay. With this topic, this chapter will get over. So, what do you mean by bug? B-U-G, bug, matlab error. Bug means error. What do you mean by debug? Debug means removal of error. एरर को हटाना है, ठीक है. नॉर्मली हम लोग प्रोग्राम लिखते समय एरर तो आएगा, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड बग. एरर इज नोन एज बग एंड debug means removal of errors. Okay. And a programmer can make mistakes while writing a program, and hence the program may not execute or may generate wrong output. The process of identifying and removing such mistakes, also known as bugs, means mistakes they are saying, also known as bugs or errors from a program, is called debugging. So this is the definition of debugging. Okay, removal of errors from the program. And errors occurring in program can be categorized as, here they have given 3 types of errors and there are 2 more also there. But according to your syllabus, there are only 3: syntax errors, logical errors, and runtime errors. Syntax errors, logical errors, and runtime errors. So what do you mean by syntax errors? Okay. So syntax errors means if we are violating the rule. What do you mean by violating the rule? आप लोगों को पता है, अगर टपल है, पैरेंथेसिस देंगे हम लोग, बीच में कमा देते हैं ना. सो पैरेंथेसिस एक बार ओपन किया और उसको क्लोज नहीं किया तो एरर आएगा. ओके, so let us see a small example. Let us just type I'm giving 1, 2. I'm not closing this. Okay. So can you see here syntax error? Unexpected end of file. UIF stands for end of file while passing. So this is syntax error. It is a type of error which occurs when we violate the rules, when we cross the rules. अगर rule का हम लोग break किया, okay, हम लोग एक error आएगा. That error is known as syntax errors. Next one, logical errors. What do you mean by logical errors? हम लोग जब program लिखेंगे, कुछ mistake किया, like logical mistakes. For example, आप लोग अच्छे से पता है, अगर age greater than 18, तो person is eligible to vote. Greater than or equal to 18 है तो person is eligible to vote according to our law. Okay. Whereas if the person is less than 18, okay, then the person is not eligible to vote. Whereas when I write the program, by mistake age greater than equal to 18 वाला को by mistake क्या कर दिया, print not eligible दिया. Whereas दूसरे लोग को मैं क्या कर दिया, print eligible दे दिया. For example, you don't know this, but still I'm giving for your understanding. Okay, just if age greater than or equal to 18, I'm giving print not eligible. I'm giving print not eligible. Okay, and else I'm giving print eligible. You will be studying next this only, if and all. Okay, age equal to int of input of number. That is, I'm asking age. I'm asking user to enter their age. Okay, let me run this program. I'm giving age as 40. What will be the answer? Not eligible. इसमें error आ रहा है क्या? No. You are not getting error. But 40 का क्या answer आना चाहिए? Person is eligible to vote. But क्या answer आ रहा है? Not eligible आ रहा है. वो ऐसे क्यों आ रहा है? Because हम लोग इधर गलती से क्या कर दिया? Eligible का जगह पे not eligible दे दिया, इसलिए wrong आ रहा है. अभी मैं ठीक कर रही हूँ उसको. Same 40 दे रही हूँ. अभी answer आएगा eligible. Okay, if I run the program and I give some age less than 18, I will get not eligible. Abhi answer sahi hai. So Logical error ऐसे होता है, you will not get errors there, your output will not be one what you expect. So logically mistake है. Okay. Next one, runtime error. What do you mean by runtime error? आप लोग when you run the program only, you will face some type of error. So those type of error which will occur when you run the program, those are known as runtime errors. Okay. Clear? So now you see syntax errors. Any doubts, students? Okay. Syntax errors, like other programming language, Python has its own rules. Okay. Python में भी rule होता है. Okay. That determine its syntax. So the rule is known as syntax. The interpreter interprets the statements only if it is syntactically correct. एक लाइन एग्जीक्यूट करेगा, पाइथन तो इंटरप्रेटर है, सो वो एरर नहीं है तब तो नेक्स्ट लाइन पे जाएगा. If any syntax error is present, the interpreter shows error message and stops the execution there. For example, they are given that example, parenthesis must be in pass. For example, 10 plus 12 bracket में दिया है, दोनों साइड parenthesis है, so it is correct. Whereas 7 plus 11 example में opening है, but there is no closing bracket, so it's not due to absence of right parenthesis, so you'll be getting error. So such errors should be removed. Only then we can run the program. This error is called syntax error. Okay. Next one, logical error. Logical error is a bug, that is error in the program that causes it to behave incorrectly. The logical error produces an undesired output, but without abrupt termination of the execution of the program. Program run होगा, error नहीं आएगा, but output will not be the one what we expect. Okay. Since the program interprets successfully even when logical errors are present in it, it is sometimes difficult to identify the errors. Actually, it is very difficult to identify logical errors. Don't think about the program what you are learning of 3 lines or 4 lines. Think about very big programs which consist of so many lines. Okay, there will be hundreds of lines in a program. And if you are not getting error, if you are getting error, it is easy to understand. Okay, ये line में error है, तो मैं गलती से ये कर दिया, तो आप लोग change कर सकते हैं. लेकिन you are getting some answer, okay, and you are getting something, no error is displaying, then it will be very difficult to find out कौन सा line में error है. इसलिए ये है, okay, error मतलब wrong output. So it will be very difficult to find out each and every line you have to check. Then the only evidence to the existing of logical error is the wrong output. Okay, अगर आप लोग आउटपुट पे ध्यान नहीं दिया, 40 का आंसर नॉट एलिजिबल आ रहा है, तो ये सब इतना ही देख रहे हैं, ओके मेरे को एरर नहीं आ रहा है तो प्रोग्राम रनिंग सक्सेसफुल, मेरे को सबमिट करना है, तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ नहीं, आप लोग का प्रोग्राम ही रॉन्ग. ओके, वेरएस अगर रेड लाइन में सिंटैक्स एरर आ रहा है तो आप लोग इजीली आप लोग को समझ में आएगा, ठीक है ये लाइन में एरर है, तो रेक्टिफाई करके मैम को सबमिट करना है. ओके, so while working backwards from the output of the program, one can identify what went wrong. तो एक लाइन हम लोग चेक करना है. Okay? For example, if you wish to find the average of 2 numbers, 10 and 12 का average मेरे को find out करना है. What is average of 10 and 12? What is the average of 10 and 12? Yes, students? 11. Good. So 10 and 12 का average, 10 plus 12 by 2, 22 by 2, the answer is 11. Okay. So if you write the code like this, 10 plus 12 by 2, actually क्या होगा, precedence of operator के हिसाब से 12 by 2 पहले execute होगा, so you'll get 6. So 10 plus 6, 16 आंसर मिलेगा, but हम लोग को क्या चाहिए, 11 चाहिए, तो क्या देना था, ये ब्रैकेट देना था. Okay, so logical errors are also called semantic errors as they occur when the meaning of the program is not correct. Okay. Then, and logical error cannot be identified by the interpreter. Interpreter or compiler cannot identify logical error. मतलब वो रेड लाइन में बताते हैं ना कौन सा लाइन पे एरर है, so interpreter will not tell. Next one, a runtime error causes abnormal termination of a program. First error क्या है, syntax error. Syntax error क्या होता है, अगर हम when we violate the rule of the programming language. Okay, so there are some rules for each and every programming language. When the rule of the programming language is broken, okay, when we violate, then it is called syntax error. Example क्या है, एक parenthesis शुरू करो, उसको close मत करो, so you'll get an error. So this type of error is called syntax error. Next one we have seen logical error. So this type of error occurs when the programmer make some mistakes. ये कैसे पता चलेगा? Output will be wrong. So what do you mean by output will be wrong? Output will not be the one what we expected. Okay, and it is very difficult to identify, find out where the error is in case of logical error, and it cannot be identified by the interpreter. User programmer देखना है क्या output मिलना चाहिए. अगर output is not the one what you expected, then we have to keep on checking line by line to find out where we have made the mistake. Greater than का जगह पे less than दिया है, okay, plus का जगह पे गलती से minus दे दिया, so you will not get the desired output, but you will not get the error, and compiler or interpreter cannot identify logical error. Okay. Next one is a runtime error. What do you mean by runtime error? The error that occurs when you run the program, when you execute the program, they are known as runtime errors. Let us see an example. And runtime error causes abnormal termination of a program while it is executing. Runtime error is when the statement is correct syntactically. There is no error in the, it is not violating any rule. Open bracket, close bracket, plus means symbol सब सही दिया, but the interpreter cannot execute it. Runtime errors don't appear until after the program starts running. Only when we run the program कुछ error है. For example, if you have a statement having division by zero error, for example, you see the example first. The time. I see this. Number 1 equal to 10.0 दिया, number 2 equal to int of input of num2 equal to. So num2 you are getting some value. Okay, it's not necessary to do like this. Let me give a simple example. I'm getting two numbers from the user. Okay, one is A. I'm giving number 1. Okay, then I'm getting number 2. B equal to int of input of number 2. So I got two numbers from the user. Okay, now I want to print C, where C will be A by B, A divided by B. Okay, now I am running the program. First I am giving 12, second number I am giving 2. I am getting the answer, correct answer I am getting 6.0. Okay, now again I am running the program and I am giving number 10. For number 2 I am giving 0. Okay, what do you mean by 10 by 0? What is 10 by 0, students?
Not defined.
Undefined. Okay. 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 So same problem occurs here also. Zero division error, division by 0. So this error you are getting, and this error you are not getting for when you execute for the first time. Only when you are giving number 2 as 0, you are getting this error. Okay. So this type of error occurs only when you run the program. This cannot be identified by the compiler. So this type of errors which occurs when you run the program, they are known as runtime error. So we have seen three types of errors. First one we have seen syntax error, which violates the rule of the programming language. So example क्या देखा हम लोग? What example I have given? Syntax error का? Any one of you?
मैम
Bracket.
मैम बिना ब्रैकेट.
Okay, बिना bracket. एक साइड में bracket दे दो, एक साइड में close मत करो. It can be square bracket, anything. Okay. So it will give you error. So that error is known as syntax error because we are breaking the rule of the programming language. And that is first one is syntax error. Second one we have seen logical error. Can you give any example for logical error?
Wrong answer.
Okay, wrong output. But example? I gave one example. Book में एक और example था.
मैम 10 plus 12 divided by
very good.
2.
10 plus 12 slash 2 था. Okay. Without bracket, if you give 10 plus 12 slash 2. Very good, Bharti. Very good, Kesh. So 10 plus 12 slash 2 जैसे भारती ने दिया, तो 12 by 2 पहले execute हो जाएगा, so you will be getting 16 instead of getting 11. Okay. Because I want average of those two numbers. So that is the example we have seen. So always I want example whenever I ask definition difference. Okay. Because I give example to explain you people, only then the concept will be clear. Okay. So this is logical error, and logical error cannot be identified by the compiler. How do you know that is only with the help of the wrong output, which we can be able to understand that there are some errors and it is difficult to identify. Third errors we have seen, runtime error. This type of errors cannot occur when you, that is, compile the program. Okay, this type of error occurs only when we run the program. So this example you can take, you get two numbers, divide one by the another. When you execute first time with some value, proper value, so I'm not getting any error. Whereas if you give second number, that is denominator as 0, you will get 0 division error. This error occurs only when we run the program. Okay? So these are the three types of errors, and we have seen these three in the heading: debugging. What do you mean by debugging? Removal of errors. Bug is known as error. Debugging is known as removal of errors.